Alright, now let's continue and start designing our header section right here. So for that, you can go back to our code, and here let's open the main, and then the header. In the header, first of all, we're going to have a return button. Let's add some classes here. Small hidden, so it's only going to be visible on the small screens, and then on the large screens we're going to hide it. The route here, this should be route chart index, and then also add wire navigate just for a good SPA magic. Inside here, we're going to have a span element. In here, we can go ahead and get an arrow from Bootstrap icons. So for that, we can, okay, let's go to Bootstrap icons. In here, let's get this one. Let's get the chevron. Left, this one. Click there. Let's copy the SVG HTML. Paste it inside here. Let's change the class here to width 6, height 6. Alright, now if we go back here to our code, right here, if I reduce the screen, you see that we now have this button, which when I click, we're going to go to our chart list. Alright, so after doing that, now in here in the header, let's now add X avatar, add a /, click tab, add a / again. To the avatar, let's add the H5. Here, make it bold, gray, 500, truncate. Here, add fake name. Here in the end, let's create a div element because we want to push these to the left, to the right rather. So the class, here let's add ML auto flex item center up to px2. Inside here, we're going to have two elements. It's going to be some dots and a cancel button. So you can create a span. Let's go to Bootstrap icons again and get the dots. Now if you right, now you can see we have the avatar and the name here. So let's go to Bootstrap icons to get the dots. Here, click dots. Let's get the 3 dots, the horizontal one. Copy that, paste it. Let's change the class a little bit. In the class, let's say text gray 500, width 7, height 7. Here in cancel button, let's create a span. You're going to have the X octagon. So here in the Bootstrap icons, let's type this one octagon, and then get this one X octagon fill. Copy that. I mean here, scroll down and copy this one. Let's paste it inside here. Yeah. So here for the class, let's just change it. Here it's going to be text gray 500, width 7, height 7. Alright, now if we go and check it out, awesome. Now you can see we have the avatar, the name, these dots, and this button. So now let's make this button clickable such that when you click, we can now redirect to our home. Let's go back. In here, let's create an A link HTML. Here the route should be up, this one, route up, and let's wrap this span inside this link. Alright, now if we refresh, now if I click here, you see we're going back to our swipes. And then if I click on this user and click on the chart, we're going to go to this chart profile for this chart 3. So I think that's it for this video.